Nel, happy birthday.
Hello, kamusta dyan? Si Kate ito, sexy oh. Payat.
Batiin mo.
Sinong mas cute sa amin ni Kate? Ito nga palang siga dito.
Batiin mo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nel. Ano regalo mo sa amin? Sabay-sabay tayong umuwi next year.
Happy birthday, Tito
Peace.
Ne.
Hi, Tito Nel. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and more candles to blow. May God bless you a lot of happiness. Enjoy your day. Take care. I love you.
Sabi mo, happy birthday, Kuya Nel. I love you.
Go, Gia.
Birthday, ang wish ko para sa'yo ay kung ano na rin yung wish mo para sa sarili mo. Alam ko naman na kaya mo lahat yan. And I'll be waiting for the day that you and Karen will be walking on the aisle together, seeing you happy, having all you want, make me feel the happiest ate in the world. Again, happy birthday, and I love you, my little bro. You're the one of Ate's best.